Here we are, Saturday. It's, I don't even know what time it is right now. I don't have my phone with me, but day of the event, this is what we got. God, that's amazing. Okay, so it is 3:23 in the afternoon on Saturday. Went to go start my car today, didn't start. Yesterday I started it and it started kind of weird. So I brought it over to O'Reilly's. It didn't want to start and it threw a code to check engine light, so I'm like, all right. Brought it to O'Reilly's and he's like, you have a camshaft, both your camshaft position sensors are throwing codes. He was like, and you have like a new key code, like if I change my code, which I didn't, I don't have a new key. So he's like, just, drive it. If it's driving, it's fine, whatever. I'm like, okay, whatever. I was gonna get a sensor today and put it in before the event. Go to start it, won't start. I'm like, amazing. It's just amazing. So I go and get the sensors, I come back, I'm working on the passenger side, and the clip is absolutely destroyed. Like, straight up, I'm gonna insert a picture. Just mangled, and I literally can't get the camshaft position sensor off. It is like in there for good, so I'm really happy right now, if you can't tell. So it's 3:24. If I can't get it off within an hour, I can't go drifting. That sucks. It's just gonna have to be something that I do another day. It's literally 103 degrees outside. I'm sitting in the street because my car is parked in the street. And I feel like I'm getting really sunburnt right now, and it's really hot. I mangled my thumb. I'm pretty sure it's just all blood in this under here, so we're pretty good there too. So basically, I don't know, I'm just gonna have to see if someone else can take that off or whatever, because I've been literally trying it for an hour. A clip, it's literally supposed to push towards the sensor and it's supposed to push the sensor out. You're supposed to kind of do it like, quick, hard. And no, it won't come out because the clip is destroyed. So it's just seated in there forever, I guess. And since it's destroyed, I'm probably gonna have to get a new clip. So it's great. We're doing amazing over here. I will get back to you guys if I fix it or if it gets taken out. But if not, this is my update. So if I miss this drift event, it's not the end of the world. I still do have to do tie rods, ball joints, wheel bearings, stuff like that. And sorry, I'm getting a text message and I'm like looking at it. So, and I still need to get into like alignment and all that stuff, so it wouldn't be the end of the world if I couldn't drift today. I was gonna send it anyway, but we'll see. If I don't go drifting, I'll just post this up as a update, but then I'm still gonna be doing stuff in the future, so we'll get there. We'll get there. Update, it is 4:08 and this is what we got. Let's see if we can try to get this. I guess I might just have to switch the camera around. So I went ahead and just, went full force and grabbed some locking pliers here, and I definitely would not recommend this if you are trying to not mess it up. So as you can see, it is like really dirty. There is a lot of residue on it. That's just some nasty looking stuff right there. So yeah, like I said, I wouldn't recommend using these if you're gonna try and get that off. Like, I'm pretty sure everything is mangled, but I'm gonna try and put the other one back on there and then put it back in and see if it starts, because this one just looks like trash. Hopefully that'll just be it, and then I could drive. So it's been an emotional roller coaster. I am at Chevron right now, right next to the track, and my car won't start. So I put those two camshaft position sensors in, got them in, it started right up. I was like games. Let's go. Let's get it. Get to the gas station, race to the track, put in like $10 worth of gas, go to start it, won't start. I should have just stayed at home. It was a sign, y'all. It was just a sign. So here I am right now, stuck waiting for a tow. So basically I'm gonna try and go through this really quick because I've already just been talking a bunch this whole video, but I did those sensors and the right bay side sensor didn't really lock into that clip like I would have wanted it to. So I think that's really what the fault was there. I was like, I'm just gonna send it, it'll be fine. I just really wanted to get over to the track and like make it there and make some moves, but it is what it is. So I think what the problem is that it didn't lock into place because that clip was compromised and so was the gasket. So what ended up happening was moisture, like oil and stuff, ended up making its way into the connection and basically making it as if that sensor's not even there. That's probably why it didn't start at the gas station, because when I took it out, and I could take the clip like right on and off at the gas station, which you should not be able to do. And the interconnections were definitely moist. So that's a huge problem, basically. So, I mean, not a huge problem to fix, but a huge problem at the moment to be able to drive and stuff. So I think I'm just gonna be able to call around, maybe like Concept Z Performance probably has one on hand. I just don't know if I'm gonna have to splice it in or not. But other than that, I still have to do the tie rods, inner and outer. I gotta do ball joint, I gotta do a wheel bearing. I still have to do the hydro, and I think I'm gonna try and run true coilovers in the rear, same brand ISC. And then get some tow arms, some camber arms, and then try and dial in the whole car and get it aligned and get it really set up how I really like it. And with those new tie rods, they'll be extended, so I should get some extra angle from that. And basically after that, just dial it all in, get some super cool amount of seat time, and I think basically I'm gonna get the most amount of seat time over at the Tucson track. It states that it's so far, it's like 2 hours away. But I mean, you get so many runs over there that it's like, guys, relax. Hey, cut it out. You get so many runs over there that it really is so much of a better track than I think at Chandler. I think Chandler basically is a good track, but the Go Fast Entertainment can be a little crazy sometimes. There's just so many people. Like, if you're stuck in the beginner's line or the second beginner's line, which is where I'm at, you really are getting maybe 2 or 3 runs per heat, which is trash. You know, I mean, that's nothing. So I think I'm probably gonna have to end up getting over to Tucson and just really making it happen over there, because you get lap after lap over there, and that's just gonna be the best thing. Seat time over mods, you know. So other than that, I just wanted to shoot this quick update out. So I will definitely be recording stuff this weekend. I'm gonna try and pick up some tie rods from Concept Z Performance so that I can get them locally. And so that'll be good. And then I'm definitely gonna start tackling the hydro, and Concept Z sells ISC coilovers actually, so I'm gonna try and see if I can just from the get a set of 2 rears from them, and to convert it to a whole true coilover setup. So we'll see how that goes, and then I will see you guys this weekend. I'll try and post something this weekend too. So make sure you don't forget to like and subscribe, and then also check out my other stuff like Snapchat and Instagram, because I post other stuff on there, so like extra content that you would normally not just have to wait for, since I don't post as much on YouTube as I do on like Snapchat and Instagram and stuff. Alright, so like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time.